Dear students, JEE Mains 2026 is happening. First session, that is January session, is happening now, and 2 days of exams are completed. Let us see what are the areas the questions were from and what was the level of questions. This helps the students, those who are writing the other shifts, to prepare accordingly. And if you are planning for the April session of JEE Mains exam, you can plan your revision accordingly. Okay, so we had questions based on the memory. We have 20 questions listed and the topics from where questions are and the level of questions. Okay, the first question is from quadratic equation. It's from cube root of units and it was easy. Matrices and determinants, it was from, the question was from adjoint of matrix. It was easy but slightly lengthy to calculate. And from conic section, we had 3 questions, one from parabola, the other is from circle, and one more question from hyperbola. So from parabola, the question was easy, and from circle, the question was slightly moderate, and the other question is from hyperbola, that was also easy. Overall conic section was easy. Differential calculus, we had one question from differentiation that was slightly moderate, and another question was from variable and separable. It is slightly lengthy, but still the question was easy. Sets, relations and functions, we had question from number of functions. It's slightly difficult. And one question is from straight lines. This is about area of triangle. It's slightly difficult. Applications of integers, we had question from area. It's simple, but it was a little calculative. And we had one question from trigonometry, from compound angles. The question was easy. Integral calculus, we had one question from definite integration. It was moderate. Binomial theorem, we had one question from coefficient of x2, x3, and it was lengthy, so student felt it moderate. And from quadratic equation, another question is from sum and product of the roots. It was easy. In inverse trigonometry, we had one question from domain of function. It was lengthy, so students felt it moderate. Sequence and series, we had 2 questions. One is from the nth term, sum of nth term. It was lengthy, so they find it difficult to solve. And another question is from geometric progression. It was easy and simple with calculation. Integral calculus, we had one question from definite integration. That was moderate because it was lengthy to solve. Limits and continuity, we had one question from form. It was moderate, and one question we had from binomial theorem from divisibility. That was difficult. So overall, about the 20 questions the students were able to recall. 9 questions they felt it very easy. 7 questions are moderate because they felt it was lengthy to solve, and 4 questions they found difficult to solve.